So I am one of the founders of PolicyBind. We're a pay-per-call network for the insurance sector, and our biggest verticals are Medicare, auto insurance, and health and life insurance. I think the number one thing I love about Ringba is their support staff. Basically all their staff, fantastic. If I have any questions, comments, or concerns, they're always Johnny on the spot. They're helping our business grow constantly, making introductions. They're fantastic. So I think the best part was probably the meat market, going in there and connecting with old clients, new prospects. Seeing everybody face to face is huge rather than just dealing with Skype and Zoom all the time.